Hi everyone. So here I have an ISHIDA Uni-5 scale that has like a display in the front, and the issue that I'm having with it is that when it boots up, the display looks incorrect. I have another ISHIDA Uni-5 that works perfectly fine. It's just this one that the display looks incorrect. It looks like it's zoomed in to a portion of the screen, and I have no options to go to any other menus or tools or anything. So here it's booting up, and it's almost going to be done right now. There, it's done. The date is correct, the time is correct, so I press enter, and then once I do that, it boots into the screen. But the screen looks like this. So then here, if I press on mode, nothing happens. If I press on escape, nothing happens. If I press search, it shows me these items here, and I can just go home. That's all I can really do. So this is currently how this machine looks. In comparison, this is how the other machine looks. And this is correct. All right. So my question is, how do I fix this? Is there a way to do a backup from the other device that's working and copy it over to the one that isn't working? Or is there a way to reset the device? Please let me know. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.